Hi, my name is Rahul, and today I would like to show you how to create a functional prosthetic hand using EnvisionTEC's Ultra 3SP and 3D bioplotter to create joints. For the material, we have selected polycaprolactone for its similarity to cartilage. Next, we can load our cartridge, assign our material, and print. After melting the cartridge of material at a surprisingly low 60 C, the bioplotter carefully constructs each of the joints. We chose a hollow shell in order to maximize flexibility. However, for increased rigidity, you can assign an inner structure pattern. When all of our pieces have been printed, we can assemble the hand. With EnvisionTEC's Ultra 3SP and 3D bioplotter, affordable, durable prosthetics are now within reach.